For most of us, the idea of giant birds belongs to ancient history, creatures from distant eras, long gone and fossilized. But what if some of these outsized survivors still live among us? What if enormous wingspans, powerful legs, and unexpected adaptations continue shaping the landscapes we share? Today, we explore 10 real birds whose size challenges assumptions about what a bird can be. Some dominate the skies, others stride across open plains, and a few hide in remote forests, rarely seen, yet vital to their ecosystems. Each of them tells a story about evolution, resilience, and the remarkable ways life adapts to extreme environments. Before we begin, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to support the channel and help bring more nature stories to life.
High in the Andes, the world's heaviest soaring bird depends on a wingspan so large that it almost becomes part of the landscape itself. The Andean condor does not waste energy flapping. Instead, it reads the terrain with remarkable precision, rising on columns of warm air that push it upward with minimal effort. This ability allows the condor to glide for hours without beating its wings, a skill refined through countless generations living in vast, rugged mountains. Its size is not excess, but strategy. Broader wings provide stability in unpredictable winds and allow the bird to travel long distances while searching for food in harsh environments. The condor's slow reproductive rate, with pairs raising a single chick over several years, reflects an evolutionary path built on longevity rather than speed. Each flight is a reminder of how scale can be an instrument of survival rather than a burden.
Deep in the rainforests of Australia and New Guinea lives a bird whose size alone would be striking, but it's the cassowary's quiet power that sets it apart. Despite its towering height and strong legs, this giant moves through dense vegetation with surprising stealth. Its helmet-like casque helps deflect branches, allowing it to navigate at speed while remaining nearly silent. The cassowary's vivid colors signal its presence, yet it spends most of its life hidden beneath the canopy, shaping the forest in ways few animals do. By swallowing large fruits whole and dispersing seeds over long distances, it becomes an architect of rainforest regeneration. Its strength, often misunderstood, is less about aggression and more about adapting to a world where speed, agility, and resilience determine survival. In every sense, the cassowary is a reminder that giants can be both powerful and essential to the ecosystems they inhabit.
In the forests of Central and South America, the harpy eagle stands as one of the most powerful avian predators alive today. Its massive talons, comparable in size to a bear's claws, allow it to lift prey almost equal to its own weight. But its size is only part of the story. The harpy's strength is tailored to the vertical world of the rainforest canopy, where narrow flight paths and dense leaves demand agility more than speed. Broad wings and a robust body give it the stability to launch surprise attacks on monkeys and sloths, prey that rarely expect danger from above. Despite its imposing appearance, the harpy plays a delicate ecological role, helping maintain balance within complex forest communities. Its presence signals a healthy ecosystem, one capable of sustaining large predators that require vast territories and abundant resources to thrive. Across the vast Southern Ocean, the wandering albatross relies on the largest wingspan of any living bird to travel distances that defy imagination. Its wings, stretching more than 3 meters, are engineered for dynamic soaring, a technique that converts shifting winds into effortless forward motion. With each glide, the albatross conserves energy, sometimes flying thousands of kilometers without a single wing beat. Life at sea shaped every detail of its anatomy. Long, narrow wings to cut through strong gales, powerful sense of smell to locate food across open waters, and the ability to drink seawater thanks to specialized salt glands. These adaptations allow it to spend most of its life far from land, returning only to remote islands to breed. The wandering albatross reveals how size can evolve not for dominance, but for endurance in one of the planet's most demanding environments. In the savannas of sub-Saharan Africa, the marabou stork stands tall with a silhouette that is instantly recognizable. Its long legs, massive bill, and bare head are not simply unusual features. They are tools refined for survival in an intense and unpredictable environment. As a scavenger, the marabou often feeds alongside vultures, using its height and reach to access food that smaller birds cannot. Its bare skin helps reduce contamination when feeding, while its strong bill allows it to break into tougher materials. Yet this giant is more than a scavenger. It also hunts fish, insects, and small vertebrates, switching strategies as seasons shift. The marabou's ability to exploit multiple food sources is what allows such a large bird to persist across widely varying habitats. Its size becomes a flexible advantage, helping it endure droughts, floods, and the long cycles that shape the African plains.
Across northern lakes and wetlands, the trumpeter swan stands as one of the heaviest flying birds in the world. Its broad wings require long takeoff runs, where each powerful beat lifts its substantial body just above the water's surface. This size, however, is not a burden. It offers stability during long migrations and protection against harsh winter conditions. The swan's deep, resonant call carries across vast distances, helping pairs maintain contact in fog or low light. Their strong family bonds also play a role in survival, with adults guiding their young through routes shaped by centuries of instinct. Despite their calm appearance, these birds depend on complex wetland ecosystems that must support their significant food needs. Their continued presence is a quiet indicator of the health and resilience of the freshwater habitats they rely on. In the open expanses of Australia, the emu thrives through a combination of size, endurance, and surprising agility. Standing as the second tallest bird alive, it relies on strong, muscular legs capable of covering great distances in search of food and water. Rather than short bursts of speed, the emu excels at sustained running, maintaining a steady pace that allows it to outrun many predators over long stretches. Its body is adapted for heat management, with feathers that insulate against intense sunlight and help regulate temperature during long migrations. Unusual among large birds, the male emu takes full responsibility for incubation and chick rearing, protecting the brood with remarkable dedication. This blend of stamina, resilience, and parental care has allowed the emu to endure in landscapes shaped by fire, drought, and vast seasonal changes. Hidden within the wetlands of East Africa, the shoebill stands almost motionless for long periods, using its height and stillness as tools for ambush. Its oversized bill, shaped like a wooden shoe, is more than a visual curiosity. It delivers powerful, precise strikes capable of capturing lungfish, catfish, and even small reptiles. Despite its imposing appearance, the shoebill relies on patience rather than speed, blending into the reeds until the perfect moment to act. Its size provides a stable platform for sudden lunges, while broad wings help it navigate the dense marsh vegetation. The species' slow breeding cycle, with parents focusing on one chick at a time, reflects an evolutionary strategy built around survival in specialized habitats. The shoebill's presence reveals how large birds adapt to narrow ecological niches, thriving through precision and restraint.
Across the grasslands of Europe and Asia, the great bustard stands among the heaviest flying birds on Earth. Its impressive size comes with a unique set of adaptations: powerful chest muscles for short but forceful takeoffs, broad wings for steady gliding, and strong legs for covering long distances on foot. During the breeding season, males display elaborate plumage and intricate postures, transforming their normally muted appearance into something striking. These displays are not just visual. They communicate strength, stamina, and genetic fitness to potential mates. Despite their weight, bustards remain capable flyers, relying on cautious, calculated movements to avoid predators in open landscapes. Their survival depends on vast, undisturbed habitats, where their scale becomes an advantage rather than a vulnerability.
From ocean winds to forest canopies and open plains, each of these birds shows how scale becomes a solution to the challenges of survival. Some glide for days, others stride through dense vegetation, and a few shape entire ecosystems through their presence alone. They remind us that giant species are not remnants of the past, but active participants in the world we share, adapting, evolving, and persisting in environments that continue to change. Their stories echo the same question that opened this journey: how many extraordinary creatures still go unnoticed, living their complex lives just beyond our everyday awareness? If you'd like to continue exploring more remarkable wildlife, consider subscribing and checking out the next video in the series. Every view and comment helps bring these hidden stories to light.